Hello, magandang araw, magandang gabi dyan sa Singapore, sa aking pamilya, mga anak ko, aking asawa, mga apo. Maayong buntag, magandang umaga sa inyo, good morning. Ito'y ginawa ko ng video kasi mayroon akong importanteng mensahe para sa aking panganay na apo, si Atalia Hillis Felicity. Hello, Atalia. Tatay, I greet you uh, a happy and a blessed 21st birthday. So, I wish na lagi kang nasa maayos na kalusugan, good health, at masaya ka sa iyong birthday. So, ako po yung nagpasalamat na ikaw po ay isang mabait na anak at mabait sa iyong mga kapatid, sa iyong brother Aloysius and your sister Alia. So, yung nakaraang birthday mo, wish ko talaga ako po'y gustong pumunta lalo na yung debut mo, 18th birthday, but I'm sad I was not able to make it. Now you're already coming to celebrate your 21st birthday. But, your mommy really want me to attend your 21st birthday. She really pushed me to come and join your birthday. But I'm very sorry, I apologize, my dear granddaughter. God has planned for me why I'm still here in Saipan. So my wish for you is just remain a good and loving daughter, obedient to your parents, loving to your brother Aloysius and your youngest sister Alia. So enjoy your birthday with your mom, your dad, and your brother and your sister and all your friends around there, your classmates. Just enjoy your day and be happy. Though you are already 21 years old, but you're still baby in my heart. I love you, Atalia. So, even in my second life, you are still my baby. So, I miss you so much. I love you. Long time ago, I didn't see you. But I'm happy that your mom and your sister Alia were together with your nanay niece. They came here in Saipan and visit Tatay. So I'm very happy for them. So even a short period of time. So I really thankful with your mom. She tried to come in Saipan and visit Tatay. So thank you for your mom. Thank you for Alia and thank you for your nanay. So within these few months, I will try my best to go home for good, and I can visit you in Singapore and stay with your nanay. And my wish also I could visit to your Auntie Budge because long time I didn't see your Auntie Budge since 2014, 2012. So I'm longing for your Auntie Budge and my grand baby there, baby Brent and baby Bia. So that's my plan. So I pray and hopefully I can make it. So stay healthy and safe and enjoy your birthday celebration. I love you and God bless you. I have a picture with you when I last visit 2012. I I I teach you a little basic knowledge of martial art. So I hope you adapt it a little, even a little knowledge of martial art. So if I go there, if I join you there, so I have to continue uh, to teaching you a martial art, karate, judo, and boxing. Yeah. And Aliyah, I didn't teach here. Only you and Aloy. So this is your picture. So hopefully you like it. Maybe the uniform I provide with you guys really small. But I will provide another one once I go there in Singapore. So God bless you. I love you. Bye.